In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a crucial document or just need to repeat some information, knowing how to duplicate pages can be incredibly helpful. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, if the page you want to copy is singular or if you only need to duplicate specific content, you'll want to highlight the entire page. To do this quickly, position your cursor wherever on the document and press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This shortcut will select all the content on your page. Once you've highlighted everything, press Ctrl+C to copy the selected text. This will store the content temporarily on your clipboard. Now let's move on to pasting the content onto another page in your document. Navigate to the location where you want the duplicate content to appear. Make sure your cursor is in the right spot, whether that's a new blank page or elsewhere in your document. When you're ready, press Ctrl+V. This command will paste the copied content, effectively creating a duplicate of your original page or content. You should now see two copies, ensuring all your information is cleanly and accurately replicated. Sometimes, though, you may want to duplicate an entire document. If this is the case, Google Docs has a built-in feature that makes this easy. You don't need to manually copy and paste large sections, but instead you can rely on the built-in tools Google provides. Simply go to the top menu bar and click on File. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Make a Copy. Click on it, and Google Docs will prompt you with a small window. Here, it automatically suggests a new document name, usually just adding "copy of" before the original title. But if you prefer more specificity, feel free to rename it to whatever makes the most sense for you. Once you're satisfied with the name, confirm the action, and a brand new document, identical to the first, will appear in your Google Drive. Duplicating pages or entire documents in Google Docs is that simple and efficient. Whether you're drafting a report, composing a book, or just keeping notes, having this skill in your toolkit can save you a lot of time and effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to click the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to stay updated with more practical tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy document editing.